Hello, hello children. Again, let us discuss the concept on introduction to trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here, before going to discuss this one, let us understand what is meant by complementary angles. You know that complementary angle means a sum of any two angles must be equals to 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. And supplementary means sum of any two angles is equals to 180 degree. Here we have to find the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angle of which angle? Here I taken A and C. Angle A and C are the angles I have taken. Here this angle is equals to 90 degree. So sum of these two angles is equals to 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary to each other. Angle A is complementary to C, angle C is complementary to A. So here I have taken angle A as theta and angle C has 90 minus theta. This will be 90 minus theta. If it is theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta. So let us write the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Before going to write that one, let us write the trigonometric ratios of angle theta, and then we will write the complementary trigonometric ratios of angle theta and 90 minus theta. By that one we will write the trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. Here we know that sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. BC by AC. Next cos theta. Next standard ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB. AB by AC. AB by AC. So tan theta is what? You all know this one, children. So tan theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. That is BC by AB. BC by AB. Next one is cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? Hypotenuse divided by opposite, that is AC by BC. AC by BC. Next one is sec theta. Sec theta is what? Hypotenuse AC divided by adjacent, that is AB. And cot theta. Cot theta is equals to what? Adjacent by opposite, that is AB by BC. AB by BC. These are the trigonometric ratios of angle A. Trigonometric ratios of angle A, that is a theta. Let us write the trigonometric ratios of angle 90 minus theta. If we consider this angle as the reference angle, then it becomes opposite side and this becomes adjacent side, and again hypotenuse remains same. Let us write the trigonometric ratios of 90 minus theta, that is sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Next one is cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. BC by AC. Next tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. AB by BC. Next cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is what? Hypotenuse AC divided by opposite AB. Next sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta is what? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent BC. Next one is cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is what? Cot 90 minus theta is adjacent by opposite. that is BC by AB. BC by AB. These are the trigonometric ratios of angle theta and angle 90 minus theta. And we know that here angle A and angle C are complementary to each other. So let us compare these two to find the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Observe here sin theta is BC by AC. Observe in this one, which one gives the BC by AC ratio? Here, see here, this cos theta gives us BC by AC. BC by AC. It means what? Complementary of sin is cos and complementary of cos is sin. So complementary of sin is cos and complementary of cos is sin. Next one, observe here children, cos theta. Cos theta is what? AB by AC. This AB by AC, among these, which one gives the AB by AC? Sin theta. So sin theta, this gives the complementary. It means complementary of cos is sin. Complementary of sin is cos. Is that clear, children? Okay, let us observe the complementary of tan, which gives the BC by AB here. Observe here BC by AB. Here cot theta gives us BC by AB. BC by AB. So complementary of tan is cot. Complementary of tan is cot. And let us observe the complementary of cosec, which one gives AC by BC here. AC by BC gives this sec theta. Sec theta gives us complementary of cosec. So cosec, complementary of cosec is a sec. Let us observe the complementary of sec. Complementary of sec is cosec. Complementary of sec is cosec. And let us observe the complementary of cot. Complementary of cot is AB by BC. This is tan. So the complementary of cot is tan. Is that clear? It means what? The complementary of sin is cos. Complementary of cos is sin. Complementary of tan is cot. Complementary of cosec is sec. Complementary of sec is cosec. Complementary of cot is tan, children. Is that clear? These are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So we can directly write the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles as, that is, sin theta is always equals to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. And cos theta is always equals to sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. And tan theta is always equals to cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is always equals to sec 90 minus theta. And sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. These are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, children. So sin is a cos is a sin, tan is cot, cosec is a sec is a cosec, cot is tan. So observe these carefully and derive yourself. If you have any doubts, contact me on my number. So you will get the clarification on this one. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos and comment on them. So it makes me to continue with the next videos, children. Thank you. Okay, children, let us discuss two simple problems on complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Here the first problem is evaluate tan 65 degree divided by cot 25 degree. Let us find the solution for this one. Here tan 65 degree is given. We know that tan theta is equals to what? Cot 90 minus theta. Complementary of tan is cot. Here tan 65 is given. So tan 65 can also be written as what then? Tan 65 can also be written as, here it is theta, so it can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Theta value is 65 degrees, so 90 minus 65. 90 minus 65. So tan 65 is equals to what? Cot 25 degree. Cot 25 degrees. So let us substitute this value of tan 65 in given problem. Therefore this implies tan 65 degree divided by cot 25 degree is equals to cot 25 degree divided by cot 25 degree. So both get cancels. This is equals to 1. This is equals to 1, children. In this way we can use the complementary angles of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So the complementary of tan is cot. In this way we can solve this one. Let us solve the next problem here. The second problem is, if sin 3a is equals to cos a minus 26 degree, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a, children. To find this one, here let us find the complementary of sin first, then we will write the next, we will find the value of a here. We know that the sin theta is equals to what, children? Sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Here the value of theta is given what? 3a. Theta is equals to 3a. So this implies sin 3a is equals to cos 90 minus 3a. Cos 90 minus 3a. So the value of sin 3a is what? Cos 90 minus 3a. Let us substitute this value of sin in this one. So what is the given problem here? The given problem is sin 3a is equals to cos a minus 26 degree. A minus 26 degree. So this implies, children, here sin 3a is equals to what? Cos 90 minus 3a. Cos 90 minus 3a. So this is equals to what? Cos a minus 26 degree. A minus 26 degree. So here cos get cancels. 90 minus 3a is equals to a minus 26. Interchange the like terms. So 90 plus, take this one on this side, minus 26 becomes plus 26, minus 3a becomes plus 3a. So 116 is equals to 4a. So a is equals to 116 divided by 4. 116 divided by 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8. 3 is the carry, 4 9s are 36. So angle A is equals to what? 29 degree, children. Angle A is equals to what? 29 degree. In this way, we can solve the problems based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Thank you, children.